Welcome to MathScribe. It is an innovative math editor that lets you complete your math task easily. MathScribe contains three keyboard layouts: algebraic, trigonometric, and Greek keyboard. This is a toolbar where you can perform file operations. This creates a new file. This option gives a list of saved files and opens selected file. It deletes a file, and this option saves a file. Now you can write some text onto the screen, give a desired name to the file, and click on this button to save it. This is Air Printer option. Provided it is connected to Wi-Fi printer, you can select number of copies and print the document. A saved file can be previewed as a PDF format and can be sent as an attachment in email. These are description of various keys, and you can turn on and turn off tooltips with the switch control. It shows help document of MathScribe, and it gives a detailed view of various keyboards and description of all keys in the application. Coming back to the algebraic keyboard, once you tap these buttons, keyboard enters into superscript and subscript modes respectively, so that all keys can be typed in selected modes. It hides the keyboard, and this arrow makes the keyboard up. You can select or enter text with desired font, size, and desired color. Simple text formatting helps you to highlight important concepts within the document and makes it more reliable. Use bold, italic, and underline formatting buttons to achieve this. This option allows you to generate a matrix. Select number of rows and columns, and after clicking done, the matrix is displayed on the screen. Fill in text into the matrix fields. To delete the matrix, select the matrix with a single click. Selected matrix is displayed with a red border. Now click on backspace button to delete. Select any image with a single tap on the image. This displays a red border around the image. Use the pinch gesture to zoom in or zoom out image. To place the image in the appropriate position, touch and drag it. Use these buttons to move the cursor left or right of text. Thank you.